The topic of a new HBO documentary and his new autobiography. Harry Belafonte joining us live this morning from New York. Hey, good morning, Harry. Harry, wake up. Harry?
Yeah? Yes,
Wake up, wake up.
I can't hear anything.
Okay. This is your wake-up call, Harry.
There's nothing.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
Whoa.
We are going, he's meditating, he's taking a little nap. Taking a little nap.
See, the daylight hasn't
We might
come on.
he's okay. He is okay. Dale. He's okay.
The daylight hasn't
We're
come
gonna-
on.
yeah, we're gonna check things with him.
I've been doing this for quite some time now. I have never seen that.
He was taking a little nap. It's a little early,
You know what?
guys.
Let's just say this: that the way this works is they do a lot of interviews all in the early morning. A lot of them sing, and perhaps, obviously, if he could hear us, he wouldn't have been like that.
I don't think Harry
so
could hear us.
there was some technical.
Which is such a bummer because, guys, I was reading his book last night. Great book. Great. I highly recommend. Highly recommend. I really want to talk to him because he's got a great book.
He's not just a great singer, a great actor. There's a movie I had to watch in college. I became a huge fan of his.
Yeah.
It's called The World, the Flesh, and the Devil. Great film. Check it out.
But
But was he in his REM sleep? Like he was just.
he couldn't hear. He couldn't hear.
Yeah.
He couldn't hear us. Oh, and he's still kind of taking a nap over there. Okay.
Green Shop's Jennifer Jordan joining us via Skype this morning with the do-it-yourself. Oh, look, and she's asleep now too.
Oh, hi guys.
Morning. Wake up.
Wow, our show is just it's that entertaining.